guys, my name is Nujhat. I'm a student of Computer Information System. My student ID is 213-16583. Besides my studies, I love to paint and do other stuff. So the topic of my tutorial will be how to make a bookmark. I myself enjoy them a lot and I hope you guys will enjoy it too. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Before we start our tutorial, we'll need some things. Paper, these are thick paper because thick paper are totally fine for bookmark. Some watercolor, I love colorful bookmarks, some brushes to paint, and some water to wash our brushes. I cut the thick paper and I'm gonna fold it. This way you will get two sides. I'm going to paint on both of the sides, but I'll show you only one side in this video. So right now I'm painting my bookmark, one side of my bookmark actually, with black color. I don't know why exactly I choose black, but I hope it will look good. Whenever I paint, I don't actually think too much, like how bad it will look, how good it will look. I just enjoy playing with these beautiful colors. And I'm totally fine with imperfect painting of mine. And I find it quite fun too. If you like to paint or make your own stuff, then I think you should do it. Good or bad, it's your piece of art and you should admire it. And it's okay to make imperfect things since we are not perfect. Doing the things you like is like a therapy. So good or bad, everything is okay. Now I'm trying to paint her something. And I don't know what I'm trying to paint here. And this looks like stars to me, but I think I'm trying to paint here some flowers. I don't know what kind of flower I'm trying to paint here. Maybe some white flowers. I think the color white looks very good on black color. Let's wait and see. I hope it will look very good. I think we should take some risks sometime to experiment something, especially when you paint, and do something new. There's nothing wrong taking some risks, actually. So, the final result is here. I actually paint the other side later, and I think it doesn't look that bad.